Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2022 Chevrolet Silverado. The Silverado is featured in a black paint finish and is the custom Trail Boss trim. Under the hood we have our 5.3-liter V8 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission and our four-wheel drive. Inside the vehicle we have seating for 5 on our jet black cloth finish. We have forward collision alert as well as lane keep assist and a backup camera for some of our driver features. Outside of the vehicle we have a 2-inch factory lift, black alloy wheels, a spray-on bed liner, as well as a power tailgate. Moving into the front of the vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle, power locks, power mirrors, as well as power windows, storage and our speaker in the bottom of the door. Inside the vehicle, just to the left of the steering wheel, we have our tow mode, transfer case settings for our four-wheel drive, as well as all of our lighting controls, an electronic parking brake. Down the side of the driver's seat, we have our power settings with our lumbar, and the seat is finished in our jet black cloth. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we have our display cluster. In the center, we have our information system that we can control just to the right. Moving down to the steering wheel itself, on the left-hand side, we have our cruise settings and our forward collision alert, wiper blades with our turn signals, shifter behind on the right, as well as our push-to-start ignition. Moving to our infotainment screen in the middle, if we go into audio and more, we have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, our phone connection, a Wi-Fi hotspot, as well as our trailer lights, OnStars, and settings. Second page is our camera controls with our adaptive as well as hitch guidelines. Below we have our menu, seek, our volume, and hands-free controls. Below that, climate controls, fan controls on the left. You can also turn on or off by pressing the center. Temperature controls on the right-hand side. All of our settings for our fans as well as our front and rear defrost, AC. Then across the bottom, lane keep assist with our departure warning, auto stop start, our powered tailgate, our hazard lights, traction control, and our downhill assist. Then we have a USB-C, USB, 12 volt and 120 volt plug for power in the front of the vehicle. We have our center console, center seat combo with our 2 cup holders, storage throughout, a leather finish, and storage up top. You can see our key here. We have locks and unlocks, our remote start, our power tailgate, as well as an alarm system. We had a center console as well that we can open into. You can see we have some storage inside. If we just lift up on the front of the seat, we can lock it into place, and we can see it's also our jet black cloth. Can release down the side next to our driver's seat. At the front, we have our lever that pushes up, and we can see we have storage, as well as a spot to put our key. Moving to the passenger seat, also finished in our jet black cloth. Then lastly, above the rear view mirror, we have our OnStar buttons at the front, dome lights on either side with our dome lighting controls at the front. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, before our front door, we have our Z71 badging in our chrome and black. Moving down to our front tire and rim, we have our black alloy rim with our Chevrolet bow tie center cap and our Goodyear Wrangler Duratrack all-terrain tires. Moving out, we have a black cap mirror as well as black finish door handles. Back of the vehicle, we have our Trail Boss badging as well as our corner bumper step. 2-inch lift across the whole vehicle. At the back, we have our dual chrome exhaust, etched in custom badging and Silverado badging in black. We have Chevrolet etched into the tailgate in a power tailgate finish. We can simply press our button and release. We also have an easy lift. Bed of the truck, we have our in-bed lighting, an 120 volt plug, as well as cable tie downs in the front and the back, and our spray-on Duratec bed liner. Moving into the back of the vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle, power window control, some wood trim with our jet black finish, storage and our speaker in the bottom of the door. Inside, storage pockets in the back of the driver and passenger seat. We have our 2 vents in the bottom, all-weather mats on the floor, 60/40 fold-up bench seat finished in our jet black leather, Lastly, to fold the seats, we can simply push up on the front, and we can make a little bit of extra storage. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2022 Chevrolet Silverado. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.